Assalamualaikum and hi students. I would like to continue chapter number 3, still about this one, but this is under 3.3 advantages of dispersal. Okay, evolutionary advantage of dispersal. Who disperse? Of course, juvenile or young and sub adults. Okay, number 2, young living, natal dispersal, and the last one, dispersal of adult. Okay, from poor to better reproductive side. This is more into breeding dispersal. Okay, why disperse? Basically, they are a reason. Okay, number 1, they want to find or colonize new areas. Number 2, escape from deteriorating situation. Because natural selection will favor individual that live and relatively crowded habitat and colonized and empty when one in which it can live many descendants. So number 3, to maximize fitness, and of course under reason number 3, maximize fitness, there are 3 sub reasons. Number 1, disperses 3A, increase chances of encountering new individuals to mate. 3B, reduce in breeding, and 3C, increasing fitness of offspring due to heterogeneity. Okay, next, when do they disperse and how far? Of course, this is the reproductive period is the usual time for the birds. Disperse in spring. Rodent in live when population increase during crowding. And distance travels depend on 2 reasons. Number 1, necessity of surrounding population, and number 2, ability of suitable unoccupied habitats in this new area. So the rule are: number 1, move the first uncontested open available site. Number 2, disperse in a straight line from their natal area or make exploratory surveys. And number 3, settle in the first empty site. Okay, this is actually about the disperse. Different example. Number 1, move the first uncontested open available site. Okay, number 2, disperse on a straight line for the natal area of exploratory surveys, and next one, settle in the first empty site. Okay, you just take a look one by one. Okay, this is another figure 19.2 about conserve and expected dispersal distances. Okay, for example A, in the deer mouse, okay, and B in the white crown sparrows. Okay, the bar graph indicate the observed dispersal distances. The line graph shows dispersal distances expected if the search is along a radius away from the natal site. Okay, so this is another example, figure 10.15, about dispersal distances by collateral dove. Okay, flag link data from the scientist 1989. So this is another example for seed dispersal, distance from mother tree. Okay, if you look at here, it's a very special. It's actually for the plant. Okay, so what you can figure 4.5, seed dispersal distances from the dogwood. Okay, the type of plant. This tree has fruit that are dispersed by birds. Okay, but the vast bulk of the seed fall near to the parent tree. So means seed dispersal distance from this tree was 6.7 meter. So this is actually about the distance tree, okay, from the mother tree. Okay, next one is actually again figure 10.16. okay, this is the rate of expansion by animal population. Okay, what is the motivation to disperse? Of course, there are 4 reasons here. Number 1, intra-specific competition about population increase, aggression increase, resource less, breeding partners decrease. decreases. So number 2, aggressive in individual force subdominant to move. Number 3, dispersal usually occurs before peak density of population. And the last one, social members disperse, have no ties. Okay, 2 optional organisms that are found in habitat. Of course, number 1, stay at home and be happy, living in crowded conditions and leave few descendants. And number 2, disperse and take a chance, find a new place, colonize it, and leave many descendants. So this is actually a graph, for you to understand about a table 12.1 potential cost and benefit dispersal choices. Genetic, G stand for genetic and S for somatic. Okay, this is actually the benefit and disperse. I think you can read by yourself this one. So we continue later on after this. Thank you.